Did you know the virtual keyboard on your iPhone has a hidden trackpad? If not, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. So, let us begin our process. You need to open the Notes app because we will be needing a text document to showcase the feature. Open any text note inside the app and invoke the keyboard. Now, simply long press on the spacebar and the keyboard will turn blank and shape into a trackpad. This feature allows you to quickly move the cursor on the screen through the text you've written. This way, you can move to any part of the text note you wish to. I'm guessing most of you already know that part, but did you know that you can also select text via the trackpad as well? How, you ask? To do this, simply open the Notes app to open a text document. Now, long press on the spacebar, and the keyboard will turn blank and into a trackpad. Now, to select any text, tap the trackpad with another finger, and there you have it. You have successfully selected text using the trackpad on your virtual keyboard. Have a blast using the trackpad inside the virtual keyboard on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these videos curated just for you.